We just got to Cheryl's. She's just upstairs with Raina, putting her down for a nap, but she messaged me and she's like, oh, just come in. That way we can get settled. But she already has some of the gifts, like the gift ideas laid out, and it looks so cute. By the way, her house is so adorable. This is one of the many living rooms.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Merry Christmas.
Your nails look super cute.
I just got them done.
Okay,
I've had
nothing.
We'll just pretend mine
I
are
have a
yours.
baby.
Okay, then you just secure it.
Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Share. I am just like so excited because I have Nikki from HealthNut Nutrition.
Hello.
And Raina. And this is our first DIY collab together.
Yes, I know we've worked together before on other projects, but like not actually on our channels.
Which to me, I don't know why we waited so long, but
she's like my favorite person.
I love you.
And now this one's my new favorite, and you're coming home with me.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so today we are going to show you how to wrap all of these things, Christmas gifts, whatever you are going to be wrapping this season. And the cool part about it is that it's all about zero waste. So everything here is either recyclable or reusable. Nikki, thank you so much for putting me to the test because
I challenged her.
You totally challenged me, and I am super proud of what we've created. And we are going to jump right in. So yeah, let's do this.
Let's do it.
This is stuff for us to wrap with.
Oh, I love this. Oh, these are cute.
Cute, right?
And this is stuff like you could reuse for photos.
Oh, yeah.
This is so great. Oh, I love that.
Yeah, so this is cotton yarn.
Yeah.
So for all the wrapping that you see here today, here's what you'll need. Patterned pillowcases, or you could really just use any leftover fabric, an apron, cheesecloth, craft paper, fresh cedar, magazines, pine cones. I'm just using this leftover garland that I have, large mixing bowls, reusable canisters or tins, scrap pieces of thick cardstock. Burlap is also great. You can have different widths and thicknesses, and you have to have some jingle bells. And why not some ribbon? Now, we're not using any tape, but you'll definitely need some scissors and potentially a hole punch.
You might have these lying at home, and if not, they have them
Literally lying at home.
lying
Pun
at home.
intended.
So we are going to be using pillowcases.
Now, this idea is great for wrapping those awkward gifts that don't come in a box. So here is the pillowcase gift bag. Start by opening the pillowcase and rolling down the sides. Place the cardstock at the bottom of the pillowcase. Now, this is going to be the base. Go ahead and place your gift into the pillowcase. To make it look more full, all you have to do is crumple the craft paper and place it around the gift. Next, lay the top of the pillowcase down on a flat surface. Place a band of cardstock at the top of the pillowcase, and then just layer on a piece of jute rope. Start rolling the pillowcase towards you as tight as you can until you reach the top of the gift. Take both ends of the jute rope and tie them together. And all you have to do now is add a fresh piece of cedar as an accent. So cute.
This one, I have to give myself a little bit of props because I was like, this is awesome. Thank you.
Pat on the back.
Okay, so let's just say you're giving this to a budding chef, someone who just, doesn't have an apron. You can buy this at the dollar store. It's neutral.
I actually love this. I would just wear this on a day-to-day basis because I'm a messy cook. I always get stuff on me.
Really?
Yeah, yeah, I am. Yeah.
Something I didn't know about you.
Now, here's a clever way to wrap a book or a box without any tape. I'm calling it the apron wrap. Take an apron and place it on the table, pocket side down. Then position your gift or your box centered on the pocket. Fold the bottom of the apron over the book and do the same with the sides, tucking in any of the ties. Fold in the top of the apron, flip the gift over to reveal the pocket. As a pop of color, I'm just using this page that I cut out from a magazine. I'm going to slip it into the pocket carefully, then tuck the neck of the apron into the pocket, and everything should be pretty secure. Now it's time for the details. Cut a piece of burlap to go around your gift. Now again, we are not going to be using tape, so I am just placing the two ends of the burlap together, folding them over until everything is tight. Then just grab a piece of cotton yarn, wrap around the gift, and tie to hold everything in place. Oh, and of course you have to have some jingle bells and some fresh cedar.
Is this
These are
like
not
what
for
you feed?
drumming.
Is this for Raina? Is this like,
Here, bird, num num. Want some applesauce?
want some hummus?
Guacamole?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, she loves avocados.
These are really cute. Where are these from?
No idea.
Like, these
No
are from
idea.
my kitchen.
Yes, and then you can just slide those in wherever.
Oh, okay.
Actually,
oh,
in the pocket.
Oh, well, that's what that comes in handy for. Oh, genius. You killed it. Okay, I'm excited. All right.
That's going on Pinterest right now. This is actually perfect if you want to create your own gift basket.
Yes.
Again, keeping it really functional because I know you have all these things that you kind of want to put together.
Yeah, and a lot of times I like to make my own gift baskets because the ones that are pre-done are so expensive and they never have everything I like. It's a lot of, like some things I'm like, okay, yeah, I would use that, or I want to gift that. And then like 90% of it is things that I don't really want.
And you want a vessel that you can use again later.
Yeah.
So I found this.
I love that. So like the actual basket is a mixing bowl.
Or
yeah.
is it a cup?
Yeah. Either
Like
or.
for the biggest cappuccino.
Multi-purpose.
Or wine.
This is
Empty.
Yeah.
Sorry.
This mixing bowl gift basket is so cute and so easy to make. First, just set your mixing bowl onto a table. Then take a pillowcase or just a piece of fabric, whatever you have on hand, and place it inside the bowl, pattern side up. Then put your gift items into the bowl and play around with the arrangement. Once you're happy with everything, then you can add something fresh like these little oranges for a pop of color. Tuck in the remaining fabric and then place the bowl on top of the cheesecloth centered lengthwise. And if you have a handle, just keep it kind of close to the edge where the handle is. Gather the ends and secure with jute rope. And then all you have to do is just add your holiday decor and a tag.
So we are on gift number 4.
4. Yes.
And this one's a fun one because I think this is something you can kind of pull together really, really quick.
Yes, and it's not a lot of paper and it's just super simple. So we are going to be wrapping these dishcloths and also this is a scouring pad.
Yep.
Really useful. And I found this tin, which looks like ceramic, but it's not.
I'm crying.
Okay, guys, you're probably like, why are you laughing so hard? Okay, so I found this cute little thing that says "Peace on Earth" in a magazine. But in a magazine, there's 2 sides to everything, right? So there's a butt. There's someone's butt.
Chloe, get a close up.
Someone's
Peace on butt.
butt.
Can you see this, Chloe? Oh my god, anyways, that's funny because you just held it up and you looked at me.
This is not PG anymore.
Instead of using plastic fillers or tissue paper, I just love using craft paper, which can be recycled. Simply cut them into 1/2-inch strips with scissors. And I found this Peace on Earth image in a holiday magazine. I just punched 2 holes on either side, threaded the yarn through, and secured it around the canister. And of course, add some fresh cedar. You know we love this whole look, and you're ready to go.
Done.
That was probably the easiest.
Put this little guy in here
wrapping.
too. Oh man, no, okay, that's not opening. Okay, we're done. I love that this is just like so simple. You can get any type of canister or container, put some, because when someone opens this, it still feels like a gift because there's like the wrapping inside and it has like a little message on it and it's decorative. It's really, I love this.
I mean, this would be perfect for kids too. You could put little blocks in there, and I just
Yeah.
like when you open it, you can have all those like little curls popping out.
So this is the last gift idea, which is basically what, just wrapping burlap around.
Yeah, so
And then
this
tying
is
it
great
at
for
the ends.
clothing. You can totally use like Marie Kondo
Folding
ways of
method.
folding methods, or just
Oh, and she
rolling
rolled-
things
yeah.
when you're- you know how you do it when you're
Packing. We got this all at the dollar store, and this is stuff that you can just reuse. Like you were showing me earlier, you have this whole like station in your office where
Oh,
you
yeah.
just save all of those
Save
ends.
all the ribbon
and
give
just
it
repurpose
away
them.
to other people. Exactly.
Or even
Just
like when
add
you're
some
at
color.
when you're at the party and everyone's unwrapping stuff, like
Oh, take that.
take that.
Oh yeah, I'm like a savage.
Simply fold and roll your clothing so that you have about 3 inches from the ends of the burlap. Grab the ends and secure with ribbon, and of course, if you are feeling super festive, add a pine cone detail. And actually, they look like holiday burritos more than they do wraps. And since we are in the spirit of giving, I am excited to be doing a holiday giveaway thanks to Nikki. She'll be giving away her cookbook to one lucky winner. And to enter, all you have to do is subscribe to both of our channels and leave a comment below letting me know which zero waste gift wrap was your favorite. Okay guys, tell me what you think in the comments, which gift you liked the best. Nikki, what was yours?
I have to say, I really like the awkward gift bag because this is, like I said, the one I'm going to be using a lot. And I just think it's so cute that it's like I forgot the name of it. A pillowcase.
It's a pillowcase.
Yeah, I love this, and I just think that was really creative.
All right, so yeah, just again, comment below because that's gonna give me some ideas for next holiday gift wrapping videos. But yeah, as always, make sure to head over to Nikki's channel, subscribe. She has amazing recipes. You vlog about literally everything.
We do weekly vlogs. We have just like lifestyle videos too, like routine videos, like morning routines, what I eat in a day.
It's honestly
I
just,
love food.
You love food, but I think in general, it's all about positive vibes, and yeah, you'll just feel so good once you get to her channel. So subscribe, and then of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I will be back next Friday with a brand new video to help you get things done simply. Yay! Say bye-bye. Bye guys! Happy holidays!
So we just wrapped up and it was so funny. We literally finished and Cheryl was like, by the way, like I'm gonna wrap your gifts right now.
Yeah.
Like
10 minutes. Put a time clock on, because I swear I can do it.
I'm so happy right now.
Update, Cheryl just wrapped like all my gifts. I'm so happy. So these are other ways. She used craft paper on this and she just folded it. So she's gonna show this on her channel. There's no tape on this. Can you believe this is her first time doing zero waste gift wrapping? So cute. I love it. Thanks, Cheryl. Sorry, you're like, I love it.